Hey everyone, I just want to introduce you to these basic functions in the Flipaclip app. So Flipaclip is a great drawing and animation app for iPad and Android devices, and I think you might really enjoy it. So here we go. So now we're in, we can press plus to start a new project. And I'm just going to start, I'm going to call it Basics, and done. And we'll leave these as they are for now. We'll just create a new project. So here we are in the app, and down the side here you can see we've got a toolbar, and at the bottom here we've got frames. So this shows you the different frames. We've got a play button. We've got a button in the corner to add layers. We've got some buttons across the top, so if we want to change any settings we would go into here. We can change the project settings, and we're going to start looking at these tools down the side. So you can see the pink one is selected. That's a pen tool. We tap on it and it tells us what colour we're on. We can change the colour in this bit here, and we can rotate through the circle to get different colours. And I think we'll stick with black for the moment. And tap to come out of there, and then this one changes the size of the mark. So when it's really small we get very thin lines, and then when it goes up we get very thick lines, so we can get really good variations of marks. And then if we make a mistake and we want to get rid of it, we can use the undo button at the top here, and if we then tap on the pen we can change it into a pencil, which is a different kind of mark again, and is very much like a pencil. So as you go over a line that you've already drawn, you get that it darkens, it shades like a proper pencil. So we'll undo that, and you can change the size and you can change the color of the pencil. So we'll go back into there, and we've got a brush, and if the brush is exactly the same again, we can choose color. And the biggest difference on this, I'm going to choose a blue colour, so I like blue, is this slider here shows us how thick the paint is. So at this end it's really solid and thick and makes a very bright solid colour, and then way down the other end it's almost see-through, so you can see, you get a finer, thinner layer of paint, and you can then build up shades with that. So where the lines cross, you get different kind of marks. So we're going to undo that, undo all that. So the other really useful tool that I think you need to know about is the eraser. So to show you how that works, I'm just going to make a bit of a mark with the brush, and let's get a bit of solid blue going, and then we'll swap to the eraser tool, and we'll tap it again to bring up the options, and we've got the same as the other tools, we've got the size. So when it's very small we make a very thin erasing, and when that's up high we get very thick. And you can see what happened there is like there's a softness to the edge of the eraser, which we can adjust using this one. So when it's up high it's very soft, and when it's down low it's very hard. So the difference that makes is like a very hard edge. Let's undo that, change there, change that to very soft, and then when we do it then you see how the big difference there. It's soft or hard edged eraser. So there we are. I hope that's going to be useful for you, and good luck.